Artificial intelligence is reshaping the future of the tech industry faster than ever before. In this video, we'll explore the latest AI trends and their profound impact on the future of technology. Automation powered by AI is one of the most significant trends in the tech world. From manufacturing to customer service, AI is automating repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs. As AI technology advances, it's predicted that nearly 80% of business processes will be automated by 2030. The future workplace will depend heavily on AI systems for day-to-day operations. AI is making waves in the healthcare industry. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than humans. Predictive analytics powered by AI can foresee patient risks and suggest personalized treatments. From robot-assisted surgeries to AI-driven drug discovery, the future of healthcare will be shaped by these intelligent systems. Cybersecurity is another critical area where AI is transforming the tech industry. AI-powered systems can detect and neutralize cyber threats in real time, learning from past attacks and continuously adapting. This trend will become increasingly vital as cyber attacks grow more sophisticated. Autonomous vehicles are no longer science fiction. AI is at the heart of self-driving cars, delivery drones, and other autonomous systems. These vehicles use AI for navigation, obstacle detection, and decision-making in real time. The future promises smarter, safer, and more efficient transportation, driven by advances in AI technology. AI is not just about automation, it's also transforming creativity. AI-powered tools can now generate music, art, and even write novels. Designers and artists are using AI to co-create in ways that weren't possible before. As AI evolves, we will see it becoming a critical partner in creative fields, helping humans push the boundaries of imagination. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, ethical concerns are also rising. Issues like job displacement, privacy invasion, and bias in AI decision-making are major points of debate. The tech industry must ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. AI is more than a trend. It's the future of technology. From automating tasks to enhancing creativity, AI is redefining what's possible in every industry. As we move forward, it's clear that those who embrace AI will lead the tech world into the next era. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to AIToolsInstitute, and let us know in the comments how you think AI will shape the future of technology.